okay, when it comes to massaging tools, self-massaging tools, I thought I'd seen the lot until I discovered this little beauty. Now, I gotta tell you, I thought it was a joke when I first saw it. Now, it comes from the Ukraine. Now, they've got this one. There's a smaller one, and there's one just like a foam roller. Now, if you could see this, it's got needles, like sharp pins on this. And so I looked at this and thought, there's a full-born every minute, you know? Who the hell's going to buy one of these things, right? Then I looked at the reviews. I was on Amazon, right? I looked at it. It's called Zycro or something, I don't know. And everyone's raving about it. I mean, everyone, 5 stars. And I thought, so I looked at there are other sort of things. They've got a ball as well with pins. And everyone raved about all of these. So I thought, I'll get it. Why not, you know? So I kind of forgot about buying this. And it arrived, because it comes from the Ukraine, I think. So it arrived like 4 months later. I thought, what parcel's at the door? FedEx comes to my door. So I opened up and went, that's that. I think I'd tell you the truth. I think I'd had a couple of glasses of wine when I bought it and kind of forgot about it. And, as you do. So anyway, I went to take it out of the, was within 2 seconds, it had already started, my hand had started bleeding, because I go, and Liam, my son, goes, Papa, can I have a look? And he rips it out of my hand, because his needles just went across it. And so I was bleeding before I even started to use it. However, I started to use it, thinking, what's all the hoo-ha about? And I got to tell you, it's good. It's good. It's like a little acupuncture needle. Obviously, you're not puncturing yourself, but it's got this feel-good tingliness to it that just gives you goosebumps. And of course, it's really stimulating the acupuncture points, and it's really good. I gotta say, it feels pretty weird. Sometimes I lie down and I'll get Liam to, he gets a little bit excited, and he'll go like a brrrm along my back, and it turns me up, So you got to go slowly. But I tell you what, on the feet there is nothing better. Forget your golf balls. Forget self-massage. On your feet, look, you can put so much pressure on, and it is just. Oh, hang on, I broke it. Wait a minute. There we go, the handle came out. See, I got too excited myself. But on the feet is just amazing. The hands, so now you're sort of stimulating the foot reflexology points, hand reflexology points, and local points. I got to tell you, the people that wrote those reviews, they weren't lying. This little beauty, I think it cost me about $60. It wasn't cheap. I think I must have had a couple of glasses of wine. However, having said that, I swear by this now. I swear by this. It's better than the tennis ball against the wall. I can work it. Oh, and don't do what I did, like a complete fool, and went over my clothing when I first got it, and kind of put pinpricks all through my t-shirt. So yeah. Anyway, that's it.